Hello everyone, myself Neelam Chandandu from Civil Department second year student, Tulshinamji Gaikwad Patil College of Engineering and Technology, Nagpur. So today we are discuss about capillarity and numerical. So start with capillarity definition. Capillarity is defined as the phenomena or rise or fall liquid surface in a small diameter tube related to adjust general level of liquid. So capillarity means phenomena or rise or fall surface in small diameter tube relative to adjust general level of liquid. Capillarity rise is as formula is H is equal to 4 sigma by rho into G into D. Sigma is surface tension, theta is angle of contact between the liquid and glass tube. Capillary fall is the glass tube in the mercury. The level of mercury in the tube field is lower than the general level of outside mercury. Capillarity formula is H is equal to 4 sigma cos theta by rho into G into D. So let's start numerical. Calculate the capillarity rise in angle tube 2.5 mm when immersed vertical in water and mercury takes surface tension 0.0725 newtons per meter and 0.52 newtons per meter respectively. The surface specific gravity of mercury is 13.6 and angle of contact is 130 degree. Given data, sigma W is equal to 0.0725 newtons per meter, sigma M is equal to 0.52 newtons per meter, Sm is equal to 13.6, theta is 130 and D is 0.5 mm is converted to meter. 2.5 is equal to 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. Capillarity rise for water. First is solve the capillarity rise for water. First put is formula H is equal to 4 sigma W by rho into Z into D. Put the value 4 into 0.0725 by 100 into 9.81 is equal into 2.5 into 10 raised to power minus 3. H is to solve. H is equal to 0.11 meter. Second, capillary fall for mercury. Put the formula H is equal to 4 sigma cos theta by rho into Z into D. Put the value 4 into 0.52 into cos theta is value 130 by 13.6 into 1000 into 9.81 into 2.3 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Calculate and answer is calculate is H is equal to minus 4 into 10 raised to power minus 3 m. Thank you.